Good morning, good-looking people, and you're good-looking because you're always looking. And of course, you are finding the good in everything and in everybody. Hope you're well. Hope you're enjoying Pesach. Hope everything's going well with your family. Today, we're doing the Hayom Yom for the 17th of Nissan. Today's Hayom Yom is all about being present and staying in the moment. It's actually a really beautiful and short and sweet Hayom Yom. Before we go there, just a quick reminder that we started saying the Omer, and the 17th of Nissan is the second day of the Omer. So please be remembering, or please remember, if that's the right way to say it, to count the Omer. Now, let's read the Hayom Yom inside, and then I'll give you some of the messaging of the day. We say in the Haggadah, and it says in the words, V'chol hamarbe l'saper b'yetzias Mitzrayim, harei zeh meshubach. The words are, whoever relates the story of the Exodus from Egypt at length, this person is praiseworthy. And the Rebbe brings in a very interesting point. And he says, the word zeh, this, denotes a distinct level of holiness, as implied by the phrase, Hinei Elokeinu zeh. Behold, this is our God. And the emphasis of today is on the word zeh, and we'll get to it in a minute. When a person tells the story of the Exodus at length, his capacity to perceive Hashem and godliness, that they can say that this is praiseworthy. So very interesting Hayom Yom. First, let's talk about the words. It says in the beginning, V'chol hamarbe l'saper. Whoever wants to give over, l'saper means to tell. If you actually take the word l'saper, it's also very similar to the word sapira, which is sapphire. And what's special about sapphire? Sapphire glows. It's very shiny. So what it's saying here is l'saper is also sphira, which is also sapphire, which means to shine. And how does that apply to this? Going further, he uses the word zeh. What is zeh? Zeh means this. It means you can actually point to something. When you say, this is it, you're actually pointing to an item. It's not a concept. You actually know what you're talking about. You're focused on what you're talking about. And in many times, if it's tangible, you can actually point to it. And what it's saying in the Haggadah, and what the Rebbe is bringing out, which is a beautiful message, is that when you're giving over the story of the Exodus of Egypt, of leaving Egypt, it's not just a story of all the Jews that left, but this is our story. This story is ours. It's our daily lives. This is how we are. This is how we operate. This is part of our daily routine, that when you read the story, it becomes ours. And when you l'saper, when you give this over and you know, and it becomes part of you, it begins to glow, it begins to shine, and it brings out the best of us. And that's what is being said in today's Hayom Yom, so that when we are in life, we could be, let's change the words. There are people in life that just get by. As Rabbi Steiner said in the Hayom Yom, there are people that just try to get through the day, and they move on, and then it's another week, it's another month, whatever it may be. And there's also about living in the moment. Zeh means living in the moment. Have a great day. Have a great Chag. Enjoy the family. And wishing you all the best.